Got a quick tip for y'all today. So sometimes when you're working on vehicles, like changing out these shocks and struts that I'm doing today, you'll find that you can get one bolt in my case here today, it's the bottom bolt. And then this top one, you can't hardly get it to align. And if you push on it, it doesn't move enough to get it in there. So what you do is you take your wrench, you put it over the lug stud right here. I'm gonna have to see if I can. All right, so you put it on there. I'm doing this one-handed, so. And then you take your lug nut and you put your lug nut on after it. And you want to make sure you put the boxed end, the closed end of the wrench on the lug stud, and just twist your lug nut on. And if you got about the right size wrench, as you twist it on, it'll cinch down between the rotor and your lug nut. And this way you're not going to damage your threads on your lug studs, and it'll give you a little more leverage. And to show you, now that I have it up the right way to where it's going to move it the way I want it, then you just push on it and it'll line it right up.